Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to your favorite channel where we help you avoid buyer's remorse like it's the plague. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cameras with a showdown between the Sony a7 III and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. One's a full-frame beast, and the other is a vlogging unicorn. So grab your popcorn, and let's get ready to compare these two titans of the tech world. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The a7 III is going to set you back a cool $1,999, which many reviewers feel is worth it for its professional capabilities. Meanwhile, the ZV-E10 comes in at just $799, making it a favorite among budget-conscious vloggers and content creators. Reviewers appreciate that the ZV-E10 offers great value for its features, ideal for those who want to create high-quality content without breaking the bank. Now, let's get a little technical. The a7 III has a 24.2 megapixels full-frame sensor, praised by many users for its exceptional low-light performance and dynamic range. Reviewers rave about its ability to capture stunning details in shadows and highlights. On the flip side, the ZV-E10 also sports a 24.2 megapixel sensor but is APS-C, which some users feel limits its capabilities compared to the a7 III. However, it impresses with its 4K oversampling from 6K, making it a strong contender for video quality. Let's talk autofocus. The a7 III boasts 693 phase detection points, making it a favorite for action shots and fast-moving subjects, with reviewers mentioning its accuracy and speed as standout features. In contrast, the ZV-E10 offers reliable autofocus with face detection, which many users appreciate for vlogging. It may not match the a7 III in numbers, but its product showcase setting is perfect for highlighting products quickly, a feature many content creators love. If you're all about that video life, the a7 III can shoot up to 10 FPS, making it great for capturing fast action. Reviewers commend its video capabilities, especially for professional work. Meanwhile, the ZV-E10 shines with its vlogging features, like the vari-angle LCD screen and easy streaming capabilities. Users praise it for making live streaming feel effortless, which is a huge plus for novice creators. Let's check out what you get in the box. The a7 III includes a lens, battery, and other accessories, which many users feel justify its higher price. However, some reviewers note that the ZV-E10's simplicity, just the essentials, makes it easy to use right out of the box, perfect for those who want to start vlogging without a steep learning curve. In summary, the Sony a7 III is highly regarded for its professional-grade features and performance, making it a top choice for serious photographers and videographers. Meanwhile, the ZV-E10 is celebrated for its affordability and vlogging-centric features, appealing to a broad audience of content creators. So, there you have it. The Sony a7 III is the heavyweight champion of full-frame photography, while the ZV-E10 is the scrappy underdog ready to take on the vlogging world. Whether you're a professional photographer or just want to look good on Instagram, there's a camera for you. Remember, folks, when it comes to buying tech, always buy smart. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Don't forget, product links are in the description.